With the advancement in 3D printing technology, different industries are utilizing this method of production. Some of the industries that are producing 3D printed products for consumer use are as follows. Adidas 4D line of shoes is a good example of shoes with a fully 3D printed midsole. Adidas introduced them as a limited run item, but now plans to release a mass-produced version. Production of customized eyewear for consumer use is in huge demand. This market is set to reach $3.4 billion by 2028. Healthcare and medical industry is greatly benefiting from the use of 3D printed products such as 3D printed implants. If you are looking to shift your manufacturing processes and move to 3D printing, the 3D Printer Depot store has a wide range of 3D printers available for all levels of expertise from personal to professional. To view the complete list of our offerings, visit our website now, 3dprinterdepotstore.com.